I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by matching carbon volume to filter capacity and water volume. Do that now to avoid under or overloading. Rinse the carbon briefly in a bucket until the rinse water clears. This removes fines that clog flow. Once done, strip the top filter tray of old media, inspect the sponge for tears, and clear any intake blockages. Place the rinsed carbon in a media bag or tray, keeping it loose for water contact. This improves absorption efficiency versus sealed pellets. Now position the carbon so water hits it after mechanical filtration, but before biological media. This prevents clogging beneficial biofilms. You should aim for moderate flow. Too fast and contact time drops, reducing removal of organics and odors. Once placed, spread the carbon evenly in a mesh bag or shallow tray so water flows through uniformly. Uneven beds create bypasses. If your filter has adjustable flow, reduce it slightly for the first 24 hours to allow. Finish by scheduling routine changes. Replace activated carbon every 2 to 4 weeks, or sooner if water clarity or odor returns. You should always backwash or clean mechanical media first to prevent carbon from trapping debris and restricting flow. If flow drops, check for channeling or compaction, gently agitate the bed, and redistribute the carbon. Finally, test for ammonia and nitrite after any media change, and remove carbon temporarily when treating with medications or dosing plant fertilizers, because it will absorb active compounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.